In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the built-in laser pointer in PowerPoint 2013. This handy feature is something many people overlook, yet it can make your presentations more engaging and help focus the audience's attention precisely where you need it. So let's dive right into the steps. First off, the initial thing you need to do is open PowerPoint on your computer. This step seems obvious, but it's essential to make sure that your software is up and running smoothly before you begin using any advanced features. Once you have PowerPoint open, find your way to the presentation you wish to showcase. Having your slides prepared, organized, and ready for presentation mode makes this process much smoother and helps avoid any interruptions during your presentation. Now direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your PowerPoint interface. You'll see an option labeled Present. Go ahead and click on that. This action will switch your view to the full screen mode most of us associate with actual presentations. Here's a quick tip: ensure your screen is displaying what you want your audience to see, as once you go into full screen mode, they'll be focused on your content. Once you're presenting, sometimes you might want to highlight crucial parts of your slide to draw your audience's eyes exactly where you want them. In these cases, the laser pointer tool comes in really handy. To access this tool, right-click anywhere on your screen while you're in presentation mode. This is an important step because right-clicking will bring up a context menu that contains several options, allowing you to manipulate how your presentation is viewed and interacted with. From this interactive menu, you're going to look for an option called Pointer Options. This section manages the various ways you can use your cursor during the presentation. Selecting this option will provide you with a few choices, but today we're focused on making our presentation more dynamic and visually appealing. So from within Pointer Options, choose the laser pointer feature. The laser pointer option transforms your usual cursor into a virtual laser light, offering you a visually impactful way to guide your listeners through your presentation. With this active, wherever you move your mouse or trackpad, you'll notice a red dot that mimics what a real laser pointer would do on a projector screen. This tool is particularly useful in emphasizing key points, data, or images, leading your audience's attention as you narrate and elaborate your slides. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to use PowerPoint 2013's built-in laser pointer. It's a simple tool with a significant impact, enhancing your presentation's professionalism and clarity. So next time you present, remember, seamlessly guiding your audience with the laser pointer can be the difference between a good presentation and a great one. Happy presenting!